purchasing a house can be very stressful. Here are 6 ways to prioritize your needs and wants for your home. Number 1, learn what you can afford. Getting your finances in order before searching for your home can make all the difference in a competitive market. Determining your budget and how much financial wiggle room you have can help put your must-haves on your house hunting checklist more clearly into view. Ask yourself, are you pre-approved for a mortgage? If you're not there yet, can we show you how and why to get pre-approved? What is your price range? Try an affordability calculator if you're not sure. How much do you have saved for a down payment? What about hidden costs like future repairs? Are you willing to do extra renovations, or do you want a turnkey property? So consider your lifestyle and also maybe plan for your future. Think about whether you need space for a future nursery or home office. Do you need any special features for your pets, like a fenced-in yard? Wheelchair access or limited stairs is important to you. Do you need space for a car, or is street parking sufficient? If walkability is important to you, are you planning on changing jobs in the next 1 or 2 years? Another thing to consider is what style you prefer in your home. Ask yourself these questions and make sure your answers match up with what you have noted on your house hunting checklist. How many stories do you want? Do you want to live in a townhouse, condo, or single family house? Read about the pros and cons of condos versus single family homes. Can you live in a historic home? How many bedrooms and bathrooms? Want a guest room? What type of flooring do you like? What architectural styles do you like best? What's your favorite room? And what makes spending time there more enjoyable? If you want an outdoor space, do you enjoy spending time there? Do you enjoy taking care of the yard? Or will you feel burdened by it? And you have to be honest. The next one is choosing a location. Ask yourself these questions. Do you prefer urban, suburban, or rural? What city do you want to live in? Do you want easy access to highways or public transportation? How important is the view? Can you sleep easily with traffic noise? Do you want to be involved in community activities? Are there parks walking distance or driving distance? Do the property taxes and HOA fit in your budget? Another thing to consider is getting to know the neighborhood. Ask yourself the following. Are you happy with your neighborhood? Are there enough activities going on around you, or too many? Do you feel happy with your commute? And the last and final tip that is very important is to document your visit. Get a feel for the home and consider anything you may have left off of your list. Remember, paint can be replaced and staged furniture will change, but there are aspects that cannot be changed easily. Is there enough space or too much space? Where could you use more space? How would you describe your layout? Are you happy with the windows? Is there enough natural light for you? Does the home have curb appeal? Does the home have adequate parking? Take these 6 steps in prioritizing your need and want and for your future home, and it will save you a lot of trouble down the road.